Let me take this opportunity to welcome you all to my first video for the second semester examination for the term 2. Also, I am thankful to all of you for the phenomenal response that you have given to our channel and the appreciation that I have received for my work during the first semester examination. I am very delighted that my YouTube channel and I was of some use to you all. According to me, even if you bring the happiness in one person's life, that is a great achievement. But here on YouTube, I was a reason for the happiness of so many students. That is the achievement I always crave for. Thank you all once again. Now I see that everybody is worried about the results. Students, parents, they are continuously asking me, sir, when is the result? My answer is, कर्म करते रहो, फल की चिंता मत करो, result जब आना है आएगा. Now the information which I have is as per one of the circulars published by the council. In that circular, it was mentioned that result will be declared within fortnight of the last paper. So I will suggest all the students and the parents to have patience till 6th of January. We should be getting our result before this date. I will like to share some additional information about the result with you. Information number 1 is that on your report card there will be no pass or fail remark printed, because this is not your final report card. This is just a report card for semester 1. And information number 2 is that the marks of your project work will not be added to this report card. These marks will be added to your report card which you are going to get at the end of this academic year. Third and final information about the report card is that you will get marks for each and every individual subjects or each and every paper that you have given in your first semester examination. I mean to say that no combined marks for history, civics, geography, or for subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, no average or combined marks will be shown there. Combined and average mark will be printed in the report card which will be given to you at the end of this academic year. I hope I am loud and clear about all the informations which I have. After crossing first hurdle, we all have started thinking about the second one, that is semester 2. How this semester examination is going to be, online or offline? Definitely offline. Next important question is that how will be semester 2 examination? In what manner? Subjective or objective? So mostly subjective until something untoward happens like a third wave or an uncontrolled spread of pandemic. In that case only you may have a objective examination just like your SEM 1, or else you will have a subjective exam. What I say is that when you study, get all your concepts clear. Don't worry about subjective examination or objective examination. I am sure you can easily handle any examination if your concepts are clear. There is one good thing for council. Council is now relieved that they have conducted semester 1 successfully after so many problems. In case semester 2 do not take place, then council will consider this result as your final result. Students and parents are also worried about the timing of the semester 2 examination, when it will be conducted. I think your examination is most likely to take place in the month of March and April. You should be free before 15th of April. That's great if actually that happens. So you need to pull up your socks, clench your teeth and start your preparation right from the word go. Next $1 million question is that how to prepare for the semester 2 examination. I will like to highlight this to all the students that please follow further reduced syllabus given by the council. Don't waste your time in reading unnecessary pages which are already deleted from the syllabus until and unless you have a luxury of doing so, if you have a time in your hand. Otherwise, please focus only on that part which is there for your second semester examination. I want to warn all of the students that there are some chapters in maths and science which cannot be studied in a haste or in hurry. You have to take your own sweet time to prepare those chapters. So in my next video lecture, I will definitely tell you all how to prepare a good timetable. In coming days, I am going to come up with videos for maths, physics, chemistry, bio and history. Please comment down in a comment box that which lesson do you want to learn first? Which subject should I start with?